Hey, how you doing everybody? This is John, and this is going to be for my dining room project number 2. As you've seen from my previous video, on my dining room project, I laid the cherry wood floor. I installed now 4 in-ceiling speakers for stereo surround sound for the living room. There's 2 right over there, and there's another one, and then another one right there. They were Dynex. They weren't too expensive. I installed them myself. There's a plate when you get the speakers. They're small circles. You cut a ceiling with the hole, and they're really relatively easy to install. I did a test. Everything is working out pretty good. So there you go. The 4 stereo surround sound in-ceiling speakers. Hey, thanks for watching this quick video, and be sure to subscribe, comment, and like to keep up with what I'm doing with my dining room. All right, and bye.